In this video, we will be talking about 2 trading platforms and the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so guys, we will be checking out InvidiaTrade as well as AvaTrade and those advantages and the things that I like the most about them and what I feel is better than the other. So when comparing InvidiaTrade and AvaTrade as the online trading platforms, both brokers are offering access to global financial markets, yet they cater to slightly different trader priorities. AvaTrade is a well-established broker with a long operating history and broad international presence, and it provides access to multiple asset classes, which also includes the forex, the commodities, the indices, the stocks, and cryptocurrencies. And it supports widely used platforms such as the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5. And proprietary tools, learning resources appeal to the traders that are seeking the traditional institution-style trading environment that is backed by years of market experience. Now here's the part where it's going to be more interesting. InvidiaTrade, on the other hand, is positioning itself as a more modern and streamlined trading solution, and this platform emphasizes on the ease of use, the fast execution, and transparent pricing, which also aims to reduce the complexity for both the newbies and the experienced traders. Okay, so InvidiaTrade focuses on delivering those competitive spreads, low commissions, and the efficient order processing, which also creates the trading environment that is designed around the speed and the clarity rather than the layered feature, which in my honest opinion, not all of the traders are actually requiring those super duper advanced features. All they need are the things that would be able to help them out in making their trades efficient and giving them those efficient and low fees as possible. Now, its interface and the account setup process are presented as straightforward, and it allows the traders to focus on execution rather than the navigation. If you're struggling to grow your social media, I know an amazing platform that will definitely help you out in boosting your presence and helping you out getting that much attention with all your channels. Now, if you go to smmgo.io, you will see that there is a ton of social media platform that you will be able to utilize that will actually make your channels or your pages skyrocket and get your presence out there. So you get real services and real speed with the best customer service support that you will ever need. So guys, if you are looking to get your channels as well as all your social media platforms, get that traction for you to be able to get a space and get noticed by businesses and clients out there, go ahead and check out SMM Go. The link to that will be in the description of the video. And let's go on. While AvaTrade's strength lies on its longevity, regulatory coverage, and extensive educational framework, InvidiaTrade subtly stands out for the traders who value simplicity, flexibility, and efficiency. So the platform's emphasis on user experience, very responsive support, and that clean trading conditions positions it as an appealing alternative for those that are seeking more agile and more modern brokers. So you could go ahead and, of course, do your own research. Here, you could click on About InvidiaTrade. That way, you would also be able to get more information that will help you out in making that most important decision on which among these two best suits your trading style. Now, ultimately, guys, AvaTrade suits the traders who prefer a traditional, established brokerage structure, whereas InvidiaTrade offers a compelling option for those that are prioritizing streamlined performance, transparency, and a contemporary trading experience. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.